everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make an Origami Tyrannosaurus Rex. So you will start with one square piece of paper, and whichever side you would like your model to be, you are going to start with that side of your paper facing up. And this is a very, very, very simple model. It would be a harder simple model, but still simple. So as I said, you are going to start with your paper, white facing up. You're going to fold it in half, bringing one corner to the other corner. Just like that, and facing along the entire length of your paper. Okay, now you are going to unfold it completely, and you are going to fold it in half by rotating it and creasing along the entire length of your paper. Now, you're going to open it up and flip it. You're going to fold it down and make a pinch right here. Pinch right there. Then you're going to take this edge, this little corner, and you're going to align it with that crease that you just made. And you want it to where this point is a point, but where it's still matching up with that crease. And this will be trial and error. You have to keep going through the lengths until you get it to where it is like that. Now, you're going to take this edge of your paper and bring it to this edge of your paper, like that. And trace along the entire width. Now you're going to take this corner and bring it to this corner there. And crease through the entire length of your paper. Now you're going to take this edge and again fold it to this edge. Just like that, and unfold it completely, except for this side. You're just going to unfold that once. Now this is the hardest step in the model. What you're going to do is you're going to take this crease, and you're going to crease it just like that. Just crease it along the entire crease. Just like that, and fold it down so that when you do it, there's a straight, so that there's a corner at the top. Once again, the corners are very important. You want it to be as precise as possible. Now you're going to release the trapped paper at the bottom, just like that. Now you're going to repeat the same thing. Fold the edges outwards, fold that to the corner, and then fold it outwards again, just like that. Now you're going to unfold it and flip it over and crease the first set of creases and fold that small triangle down. Just like that, and do the same on this side. Take it and fold it down, just like that. Now flip it over, and you still have a set of creases on the outside, so you're going to fold them. There, and do the same thing here. There. Okay. Now we're going to fold these feet or the legs down this is going to be the legs when it's done. Down like that. And we're going to fold these edges downwards just a little bit on both sides. Okay, then you're going to open them up and push that paper inwards. And the same on this side. Just like that. Okay. Now, the next step is going to be to take this and fold this edge up. Right there. To where those creases are made. Just there. Then you're going to take this top corner and fold it down to the crease that you've just made. And then fold this corner back up to the top edge. Okay. Now you're going to unfold it completely and fold it in half. Just like that. Okay, now you are going to take your head and open it up at the bottom and fold it down like this. A little more. You want the head to be pretty big, so you're going to do it like that. Then you're going to take this and you're going to open it up. And there should be creases that are creating triangles. So you want to take it like that and fold along those creases. Just like that. And the same on this side when you open it up. You want to crease all those creases so that the head opens up and becomes larger. And this crease is going to be folded down to make the head scrunch up. And this is also one of the more complicated folds. Okay, so just like that, so that the head is bigger and more puffed out. So now what you are going to do is take the neck and fold it up and like that. So sort of pulls the neck upwards a little bit. And then you're going to take these sides of the neck and fold them in to slim neck just a little bit. And it makes it to where the arms do not look like they're attached directly to the neck. So it's just a little bit of shaping. Okay. Now you're going to do the same on this side. Just open it up in the back and fold the neck inwards, just like that. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to fold the tip of the face inwards. This will round out the nose so it's not sharp. And then you're going to unfold the leg here and fold the leg up and over. And then fold the leg back in. This sort of forms the feet, so that's not just a sharp pointy leg. Then you're going to do the same on this side. Open it up, fold it up, and back over, and then inside again. So that finishes the feet and the head. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take the tail and you're going to fold it in and then out, and then in and then out again. And this forms the tail a little bit. Now take the tail and pull it just a little bit to make it curve upwards, like that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take the section where the arm is, and you're just going to sort of pinch it together so that the arm is more detailed. Do it the same on here. Just sort of fold that behind a little bit and pinch it. Okay. Now you're going to open it up a little bit and take the back and just sort of push down a little bit to round it out, and then do the arms again to make sure they are in place. And there you go, an Origami Tyrannosaurus Rex. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to watch some of my other origami videos. Bye.